How to start creating passive income as a coach or a service provider, even if you're fully booked. Hey there, coach or service provider. Can we talk for a minute? If all of your income depends on booked calls or one-on-one sessions, you're not building a business, you're building a calendar. And I hate to say it, but that calendar, it's going to burn you out. In my first year of business, I was fully booked. And I tell you what, it sounds like the dream, doesn't it? Client sessions and coaching sessions nonstop. I was making money, sure, but I was exhausted. Then I discovered something that changed everything. I realized that I could take what I was teaching over and over again in my one-on-one sessions and turn it into a digital online course that sold on repeat. I have the freedom to be able to take a walk out in nature with our dog Scarlet, the freedom to travel when I want, the freedom to spend quality time with my family and friends whenever I choose to, and the time to actually just sit and breathe and be, right? Let me walk you through how to start creating passive income as a coach or a service provider. Step one is to start with your most in-demand transformation. What do your clients always come to you for? That's your course topic. Step two is to map your client transformation. Break that transformation up into bite-sized pieces that your clients can take step by step to actually go from point A to point B in your transformation, aka your online course. Step three is to validate before you build it. You don't need to spend weeks creating and recording content in advance. What you need to do is get really clear on your transformational promise and create an outline for that of how you're going to move your students from point A to point B, and then pre-sell your online course to get that validation of proof of concept that this course that you've created, this concept for this course you've created rather, is something that is marketable and something that your students are willing to pay money for. This one shift can open you up to so much space in your life. Imagine waking up to nonstop sales notifications, being able to serve more people and make more of an impact without being chained to your calendar. Imagine being able to earn money without having to show up every day. That's the power of having an online course that sells on repeat. If you're ready to stop trading time for money and start planning and pre-selling an online course that creates freedom, then join me in my 60-minute, 1 hour to course clarity workshop. I will walk you through the exact framework that I take my students through to go from ideation, where you just have an idea of an online course in your head, to being able to pre-sell that course and enroll students on demand, even if you're just starting from scratch. Just comment clarity below and I'll send you the link to be able to join the workshop. Or you can check the description box for the link below and go ahead and join that. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can receive more passive income tip videos just like this. And share this with your business besties that need to hear this video as well. Your freedom starts with a decision, so make that decision now.